Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be the first to get my videos. So in today's video, I'll be doing breakfast and lunch in my air fryer. I'll be doing a egg quiche, like a mini quiche. These silicone holders came with the air fryer, and I went ahead and in my measuring cup I put the egg, the milk, and I forgot to show, but I did put veggies in here, and then I put a little bit of sausage and cheese on top, put in my air fryer, and this is what it looks like. I love these little silicone cupcake holders because it just popped right out. The quiche popped right out, and it's like really good. It's a good for no carb day, and so I just paired it with the grapes and the strawberries for my boys. This was for my boys' breakfast. Now I'm getting ready to do dinner, which is my chicken. Already cleaned my meat, seasoned it, and I will go ahead. These are boneless, and then like if you want fried chicken, this is a good way too. Sometimes you do want your fried chicken, but sometimes you want the fried chicken effect without actually the oil, and this is a great way. And I just set my air fryer for like maybe 30 minutes, and then I check it like every 15 minutes. And so I'm starting, and while that's cooking, I'll be prepping my organic yams and my organic potatoes for the boys. The yams are for me, they still haven't gotten used to that taste yet, so I'm weaning them in slowly. And while that's waiting, I'll be washing my veggies and getting those ready as well. All this stuff is going to be in the air fryer, and also my vegetables that I want to eat. And so now I am looking to see how the chicken looks, and they're still kind of white, but you'll be shocked to see this is what it looks like when you're done. And for my husband, he doesn't want it too crispy because in the air fry it comes like a little bit too dry, and my son likes it crispy, so I kind of do a little bit both ways. And so now I'm pushing in the potatoes, and they're done. I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese on there, and now I'm doing the yams, and that's the sprinkled cheese with a little bit of seasoning. So if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, it means a lot. And hit that notification bell. So the yams are done. I love these, you guys. That had to grow on me, and I love my veggies. And so this is my boys' plate. They're not really, one is a veggie eater that will eat veggie, one won't, so I have to blend his like a smoothie for him. And that's their plate, and this is my plate. And so just to show you, my sister did panadas and fish in her air fryer. I will link their video so you can see also what else you can do. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye now.